Yeah. Oh. This one, we're gonna put a little bit of butter. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some shallots. And I have some prosciutto di Parma. A little bit of tomato puree. And we're going to cook it. We're going to just cook it right there. We're going to do a little caramelizations of this. So it's very important that we do this step right here, friends.
I'm not going to eat that.
You see what I'm doing with the spatula, friends? I'm cleaning the thing so everything is in the bottom of the pot. Now I'm going to deglaze this with a... Okay? Now, normally you want to flambe this, but I'm not flambeing it. Because I got a mirror above and it's going to flambe the mirror too. Okay, now we're gonna put some fresh tomatoes. Those tomatoes have been peeled and diced. It's a tomato concasse. Then I'm gonna put some cream in there. Okay, now how much cream you put in, friends, is based on how much pasta you're doing. Right there, I only got about 11 to 12 ounces of pasta. Then I've already been pre-cooked, part cooked. But not completely. They're like 70% cooked. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right in there. Just going to put them in there. And we're going to cook this 3-4 minutes. That's however long it takes. As you can see, it reduced. The cream got thicker. The heavy whipping cream is what you want to use. You don't want to use that light cream stuff. And then we're going to add a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. We're going to put some in the sauce, and then we're going to put some a little bit at the end, okay? A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano.
I'm not going to eat that.
And that's also going to help us thicken. But it's mostly then the cream itself thicken it, and also the pasta, the starch from the pasta, help thicken it a little bit more, okay? Look at this right there. Let me tell you, friends. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, baby. See, it's very elegant. It's very simple. Look at this. See, you don't have to make it like a full food. You can decorate it if you want with a few chopped tomatoes. You know, the chopped tomato that I made, the concasse, right? A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano.
I'm not going to eat that.
Right there on top.
I'm not going to eat that.
Yeah, you can grate it, fresh it if you want it at the last minute. I did it this morning. And then right there, my friends. Let me turn this off. Right there. Oh, let me tell you something. The reason why I do those things is because I love to eat it. All right, so I'm going to eat some of that because this is amazing. And a lot of you have said to me, you don't taste the food. Well, I don't want to be rude eating on the camera, but if you want me to eat it, I remember my mom said, don't speak with your mouth full.
I'm not going to eat
my
that.
friends.
I'm not going to eat that.
You have to try to make this.